Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is not the same, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great weekend and finding some good stuff for your collection. We scored a couple of things, not a lot, but we also are waiting on some stuff that I ordered on eBay, and I think these pieces are going to be pretty cool additions to the collection. And outside of that, of course, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this is a trade between Gary and I over at the Hot Wheels Chaplain. Very cool piece that we're adding to the collection. And of course, as you see right here, we scored some goodies out in the wild. There's also another one on the other side of this box. So let's go ahead and showcase what we picked up. This beauty hiding right here was a find at our local antique mall. Now, I've mentioned it before, there's a Mustang seller there, and every time I go in there, he always has something new. But this one is the 92 Fox body from Greenlight. It was also the 2024 Las Vegas Super Convention. But this piece right here is a raw chase. Just a beauty. Check that out, man. You got the red interior, raw metal finish, of course. If you guys remember, we just got this one from Sean, and this is the 2025 Las Vegas convention piece, and this was also a black chase. Very cool one. And now we have a raw, and of course I ordered the red one, which this will be one of the other ones I am waiting on. So 92 Fox body with the Raging Bull deco. When I looked it up, I think they said there was only 500 pieces of it. I'm not too sure on the amount of the convention cars. You guys let me know if you have that info. But what I've seen, there's like 500. And of course, with the raw chase, I don't know what that percentage would be. But definitely a cool one we are adding to the collection. So I'll have two of the 2024s, the regular red one and this raw one. And then from 2025, we have the black chase. So definitely a cool one right here. And then yesterday we went to Sam's Club because the local group let me know that they dropped the new 118 scales. And check this 2015 out, guys. This is a beautiful green. Very, very close to the Gotta Have It green. Love the factory setup. You got the black wheels. I mean, 118 scale. I think we only have the charcoal metallic one, which is sitting right there. So these were both special edition releases from Sam's Club. I think this is the exclusive colorway. That one, I'm not too sure because we don't have the box anymore. And then we have the 124 releases, but 118, man, this thing is super cool. And for 16 bucks for a 118, cannot complain on that one, especially when you come up with the team transports that are usually like $22, $24, and we're getting a larger, more detailed, very cool release. And then this one right here, guys, this is probably my favorite one of the two. We have the 1967 Fastback in green. Check it out. It is a GTA fastback, meaning that it's an automatic. So very cool fastback. It almost looks like the dark Highland green that the Bullet came out in. But another beautiful one we're adding to the collection as far as the 118 goes. We have a few of them actually that I picked up from Sam's Club. We got this white one right here. We have a black one, and then you have the Twister Special. This one was a Fleet Farm exclusive. And then this one was another Sam's Club exclusive. So I believe the black one is a GTA as well. And then this one was the 68 Cobra Jet. Could be, let me see. Might just be a regular 68 GT. And then, of course, this black one is, yes, it is a GTA as well. So adding another one to the collection is very cool, especially in this color. So two green Mustangs that we found yesterday out in the wild. So if you have a Sam's Club or even Costco, Maisto is where they're at. And like I said, 16 bucks, definitely not a bad deal. Moving on from these really cool finds onto the trade from Gary. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. All right. Oh, we got a little letter in here. All right, MHD, thank you so much for the optimism, love, and encouragement that you show the Diecast community. Absolutely, man. Definitely glad that you enjoy it. I came into this space to bring a bit of joy as the Hot Wheels chaplain, and it blessed my heart to find channels like yours. Thanks for the trade and enjoy the bonuses. Keep up the good work. Hot Wheels chaplain, also known as Chappie. Thank you so much, man. That is cool. And you threw in some extras. Ooh, and here we go. If you guys want to follow him on Instagram, go ahead and screenshot this. I'm pretty sure this will take you to it if you do that. But yes, the Hot Wheels chaplain. Very cool. Then we have a new one. Check it out. We have the holographic sticker. Nice. Definitely dig this. We have his stuff right here. Luckily, this magnet fit perfectly right here. So there we go. We got another awesome piece that we can stick somewhere, probably on our cutting board for our customs. But let's see what he threw in here. He said he threw some extras, so I definitely appreciate that very much. Oh, dude, check it out. That is cool. This actually makes number 2 for the collection, and he has another one of these cases. That is so awesome, man. A lot of people were asking where you found these, especially for the M2 chase. My man has one for this one. So yes, like I said, this is number 2 for the collection. We have it sitting right here. So this is a tour edition car. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is not the same, guys. This is not the same. Check that out. That is a tour edition car. It says it on the box. This one doesn't say it at all. Oh, this is a package variation. Oh, dude. Even freaking cooler. Hold on. Let's go ahead and take this out so we can see if there's any other subtle differences or if it's just a packaging thing. Let's see. All right, here we go. We have the wheels and tampos on the rear. Tampos, same wheels. Dude, that is so cool. Look at that. It's got the Chrome Tour Edition. This one does not. What is the difference? Oh, man. I am digging that. Oh, dude. I am so soaking that up. That is cool. See, that's what I mean, guys. Like, you have to really pay attention to what is in your collection, because you can easily overlook subtle differences like that. And I know to a lot of people that doesn't matter. It's just a box to you guys. But when it comes to package variations, car variations, I mean, who knows? This one could be a pre-release and then they fixed it. I don't know, but that is cool. Dude, oh man, I love surprises like that. That is awesome. And then this piece right here, this is what we traded for. Look at this greenie. Oh man, that is wicked. We have the 2019 Shelby GT 350R, of course, with the enclosed car hauler and the truck. Man, that is wicked. That is, dude, that is a beauty for sure. Greenlight does it right, and of course, this one is new for the collection. We don't even have the GT 350R. We have the shell version, and I don't even think that's a 350. Nope, that is a Mach 1 right there. So new one in both ways, the model and of course the livery, the Gulf livery, which is iconic for a lot of car enthusiasts. But yes, dude, freaking awesome, man. God, that is so nice to see in person. Oh, we have another one. Here we go. Nice. Here is, this one's actually number 3 for the collection. The 1970 Mustang Mach 1 351. We actually do have those down there. You can see the two. They're identical. There's nothing different about them. So this makes number 3. Definitely awesome that it's in the box, because I opened those up. And I was going to wheel swap one of them or do something to them. And then I ended up just keeping them factory. So this one's actually going to go hung up somewhere, maybe on that one. But very cool, man. Thank you so much for the extras. And of course, that one. So here we go, guys. Awesome freaking additions to the collection. And like I said, that one right there is so cool. It is a box variation. I got to look it up and ask Mike why one has the chrome embossed tour lettering on it and one doesn't. Maybe that's something he doesn't know and we have a one-off. Of course, thank you so much for the extra M2 and the trade for that greenie, man. That is awesome. I'm going to have your box sent out as well. But yes, great additions right here. We have 6 new Mustangs, or just Mustangs in general, added to the collection. Like I said, the Raw Chase, I ordered the red one, so that should be here probably by the end of next week. We also ordered 2 more cars, which I can't wait to get because they're really special to me. And then yes, very, very cool additions right here. So that is all we have for this episode, guys. It's going to be short, sweet, and straight to the point of course, new Mustangs. And I gotta say, it's been very, very cool to just focus on that and trade for a lot of really good pieces. If you guys notice, we've done a lot of trades for some chases, some Greenlights. I have a lot more Greenlight chases in the collection now. Again, Gary, thank you so much for the trade and the 2 extras. Very, very cool. And I'm glad you're enjoying the content. Hopefully a lot of you guys who tuned in today also enjoyed this one. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes. Maybe this weekend I can get some track time, get this all finished up. I don't even have a start gate yet. Haven't even painted the center line. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, and I've just been too busy to get to this. So it's still here, guys. Races will resume soon, hopefully within this month, and I'll keep you guys posted. But other than that, I have nothing else for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts on what we picked up. If you have any more info on this beauty, let me know down in the comments. And of course, those who have the number released for the Las Vegas convention, either last year or this year, let me know as well. I'm curious to see how many pieces were out there. And yeah, that's all we have. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.